Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday's content work. Continuing our animal research. You are on number 1. You've clicked below for today's instructions. Today, you have two options. One, under number 2, you're going to use these links to research your animal. So, clicking below, you can continue your research. Make sure you have your note-taking sheet. Go into the library website, use Epic, or you may click down here under PebbleGo. That will be blue on your screen if you need help learning how to use PebbleGo. If you finish all of your animal research, you can start planning your animal creation. So if you get done with all of your animal research and you have all of your notes, you may go to Explore, Create Your Animal. So on number 3 here it says, when you finish your research, meaning you have at least 3 facts for each area, you can start building your animal. So we want you to be creative. So here's a couple pictures, here's a picture of a couple animals that were created. There will be additional pictures on tomorrow's slide to give you some ideas. You can also click on this link here. And this link will open up and show you a website with a bunch of different pictures of animals that were created. So don't click on any of these links, but this is just for you to look at animal creations if you want some ideas. So you can just scroll down. Here's some lions. Here are some zebras. There's some giraffes. So just some ideas of other students who have been, creative and built their animals at home using different materials. So just to give you some ideas to help you get started. So you can just scroll down and look at different ideas. It's having trouble loading, but that will help you hopefully get some ideas about how to create your animal. So again, you are finishing your research, and if you finish, you are starting to build, create, make your animal. You have all of Thursday's content time to finish building and creating and making your animal. So don't rush. Think about a good idea. Be creative. Make sure if you're using materials at home that are not your art materials, make sure that you check with your adult to make sure that it is okay to use those. Be safe, have fun, and remember you have all of Thursday's content time to finish creating and building your animal. Thank you.